Standard 4th. Subject English. Chapter from the postbox 1. Welcome children. In our last lesson, we have seen how the children of the class planned to give their teacher a surprise. It was 5th September, Teacher's Day. When the teacher opened the post box, there was a surprise for her. All the letters were for the teacher. She was very happy. Let's read the messages. Thank you, dear teacher. We all love you very much. Amit writes, Thank you, teacher. You are my eye in school. Deepak writes, Teacher, you are very special. Manish says, Teacher, you are my best teacher. Raina writes, Teacher, you are my best friend. All the students of Standard 4th, Division B, have written a Thanksgiving messages. It says, Thank you, dear teacher. Thank you so much. The entire class has showed their love and regards to their loving teacher. Now please tell me, what message will you write to your friend on his birthday?
Ma'am, I will write best wishes to my dear friend on his birthday. Ma'am, I will write God bless you on your special day.
Good. What message will you write for someone who is not well?
I will write get well soon. I will write I pray for your good health.
Good. What messages will you write for your brother, sister for their success in life?
Ma'am, I will write always do the best and make everyone feel proud. I will write best of luck and get successful in life.
Well done. Your messages were very beautiful. Goodbye.